What is cellular senescence? Let's talk about it. Cellular senescence is a mechanism by which cells can move themselves out of the growth phase. So you may be asking, why would a cell want to do that? Well, there are a number of issues that can arise as cells get older. For example, there could be accumulated damage to the DNA, which could result in problems with transcribing DNA to messenger RNA. There could be oxidative stresses, exogenous influences that have created stresses within the cell that need to be dealt with. Thirdly, there could be mutations in important genes that could lead to uncontrolled growth of that particular cell. So senescence is a means for the cell to really buy a little time as it figures out what the situation is and what we need to do. And by what we need to do, the cell needs to talk with the immune system, and the immune system will work with that senescent cell and determine if it needs to be put down a cell death pathway, or in some cases, if the DNA damage can be repaired, that senescence could be reversible, although that's relatively unlikely. So cellular senescence is really an opportunity for that cell to get a handle on its existing situation and really protect the larger organism, mainly us, right, from a harmful effect that may result from various stressors or DNA damage that cell has accumulated throughout its lifetime. So cellular senescence is important at the cellular level. It's protective in many ways, but it also can have some impacts as we age. And as we get older, we tend to accumulate more of these senescent cells. And although they're protective, and although it's evolved to be a very positive aspect of not only our maintenance, but also as early on as embryogenesis, but the way that it proceeds as we age, as we accumulate these cells, they tend to have a negative impact on our bodies. So what we want to do here at Meridian Biosolutions is really spend a lot of time and teach about cellular senescence, teach how it works, what it is and what it isn't, and find ways that we can get a better hold and have a better means of managing our cellular senescence as we get older. So I would encourage you, please click the link below. It's our Facebook page for Senescence Nexus, where all we are going to be talking about are senescence and other aging variables and biochemical means of how we can start to retard some of those processes and live longer, healthier lives. Thanks for listening. We'll talk soon. Stay regenerative, my friends.